Hey guys, now is about 6:46 p.m. at night. We arrived at the third factory, so you can see what is in my hand. This is one of the scissors we have. So if you see two scissors in front of the video, can you see the difference? I can tell you, this price compared to this price, like 2 times difference. And now we're in the factory and we're gonna show you like what kind of scissors we have in here and what kind of scissors manufacturer is making. So in the videos, you can see a lot of kinds of the scissors, and if you're interested, and also on the back of us, we have really a powerful supplier. And they have a super, how to say that, enough equipment to make a nice scissors for home use or for the past store use and all for the e-commerce sellers. So these are the scissors, and I will leave you to see the factory equipments and what kind of scissors we have. So if you're interested to finding some kind of equipment for setting the scissor sets or for pets or for the human uses, so welcome to contact us and give you more details or quotes or the pictures and samples, of course.